Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. After that, you can just walk in, right? You just sit down at your seat, then you bring out your hand. That's some few seconds. You can open your eyes wide, then you can stay like that for some few seconds or some few minutes, all right? Then after that, you can now just do as if you fold your hand and you walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay, welcome guys to this tutorial. Click on CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video and locate volume. Okay, click on volume guys, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. You locate where you want the video to start from. From this place, you click on the video and make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. Click on the video again. Click on it, then you expound it and position it how you want it to be. Just position it. After that, you will come back now. This is how it's going to play. Then you come back and mark anywhere. Click on that text, the T. Click on it. Click on add text now. Then you click on 1. Locate 1 and click 1, then you expound the 1, make it big and position it at the position you want it to be. You click on style now, right? Then you choose your preferably color, then you mark on that good and go back. Add your keyframe now. We want to make the text move. Cropple it. After croppling it now, then you adjust the video and review the 1 again. Open it for the second time, reveal it. After revealing it, you are going to adjust it again. Then you cropple it for the second time. Then you click on the text layer and cropple it to that very keyframe. All right, this is how it's going to play. After that, you click on add text again and click on 2. Then you expound your 2 again. Expound your 2. All right, reveal your 2. After that, you mark on that good and go back. Just like you did to the other one, add your keyframe as well there. Then you cropple it. After croppling it, you adjust it just like you did to the other one. Then you reveal the text again, reveal the 2. Reveal it. After revealing it, you adjust again and cropple it for the second time, just like as we did to the 1. Cropple it. After croppling it, you click on the layer, then you drag it to the key. Then look at how it's going to play. Good, it's remaining 3. Then you click on add text again. Click on add text for the 3rd time. You add your 3. All right, locate 3. Then you click on your 3. You expound your 3 like we did to 1 and 2. All right. After that, but you can see that 2 is showing. Mark on this good and go back. Position this one. Then you click it and add your keyframe. Cropple it like you did to the other ones. Position it at the right position. Then you drag it now, you reveal it, all right, like you revealed the other ones. After revealing it, you click on the layer and cropple it. This one, you don't need to make it disappear because it's the last number, just cropple it. So the text is ready now. Let us play it and see how it's going to be. Good, this is good. So at this point, we'll mark anywhere now and click overlay, add overlay. Then you import this, your light here, import it. Look at the light. Then you are going to click on splice, click on filter, then you mark on that good and go back. So at this point, you want to remove the unwanted part of the light. Click it and make a split, then you delete this part. So look at how it's going to play now. Good, but you can see that the light is not in your hand. Click it and position it at the point of your hand. Position it in your hand. All right, after positioning it now, let's play it and see how it's going to look. Good. So click on the light, then you click on volume and reduce it and mark on that good and go back. We don't want that sound. So look at it now. So you click it. What we are going to be doing now is to click it. We want to do what is called duplicate. All right, locate duplicate. Go and look for duplicate. Then you duplicate the light. Then look at it now. Then you cropple it because you can see. Just bring it to where the light is up already. Then you click this one and bring it under this one. After bringing it under this one, you click this one again. We want to make some other duplicates. All right, make some other duplicates. Locate duplicate, you duplicate it till the point where you crop the light, where you remove your hand. Bring them under each other. All right, look at what I am doing. Bring the lights under each other. At this point, click on this one and make another duplicate, because he has not gotten to where we want. All right, so make another duplicate here. So at this point, bring it under. Let us see how it looks. Before you fold your hand, you want to click it and make a split. All right, make a split now. Make a split there. Then you add your keyframe. All right, so as you are folding your hand, you are cropping the light so that your hand and the light will let it be as if you are the one that crop the light out. All right, as you do like that, now you crop it finish. All right, so at this point now, let us see what it look like. Let us see what it like. This is good. I think we have gotten what we want. So you click on this main video now and make a split. Delete that last part. So at this point, I think this video is ready. So what we are going to be doing now is you come back before this light comes up, click on the video you are going to make a split. All right, make a split at this point. Okay, click on effect now, body effect. All right, allow it to load. Then you go and look for superpowers. Click on superpowers. Locate your preferably light here. Look at the one I use. Click it. You can see now you have put light in your eyes. So at this point, I feel this video is ready. Let us play it from the beginning and see what it look like. Just play it. So at this point, you come down to identify whether there is an error. But if there is no error, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. Then after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Go and DM me. Then I will put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you export your video to your gallery. So click on export now. Look at it. Your video is exporting now. Just exercise patience. The video is exporting. Now, this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, and just in case you need that effect, all right, that human touch effect, DM us. We will send it to you. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.